GoKaito wants it. Watch him. Uh-oh. Showtime. Baby windmills. Headspin. Freeze. Nice and clean. Nice, GoKaito. Ooh, I seen that. Fresh. Fresh. Alright.
Let's go, Will.
Uh-oh. The status sneakers doodle.
Don't hold back.
Show everything. Oh, I see that. Play with the beanie. Play with the beanie. Play with the beanie. What are you gonna do with it? Ooh. Ah. You gotta catch it. Let's go.
Hit those mills. Hit those mills.
Snicker. Doodles. Nice. Nice freezes. Chill. Riverflow's in the building. Windmills. Let's go, River. Nasty. Whoa. Alright. Oh, they got routines. I like it.
Let's go, Ava.
WeBreak. DJ Abel.
Let's go.
With 45s.
Let's go, Ava.
Static snickerdoodles. I like that 6-step both ways. Oh. Make some noise. Oh. Did he just do the Macarena? Let's go, Reels. Show them what you do. Show them what you do, Reels. Okay. Oh, another routine? I definitely want to get into this group. I want to be a part of this. I could have jumped under and him on top. I don't know. I'm just thinking.
Let's go, AJ.
Let's go. Static. Snickers. Doodles. Oh, he's wrapping them up. Oh, threading. Style. That's what it is. Hold it. Go, other side. Head slide, headstand, freeze. Give it up, give it up, give it up. Jesus. That was real nice competition. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just getting started here. Judges, on the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. There it is.